friends, welcome to the Vintage Literature Sessions. In this series we'll be discussing a number of literary genres and pieces. Today we are dealing with fable. It comes from the Latin word fabula and it means discourse or story. The one I'm bringing you today is by Aesop, a Greek fable maker who lived around 600 BC. And it goes like this. It is Jupiter and the bee. There was this tiny little bee who had made a lot of honey, and she decided to take some to Jupiter as a way of being grateful. When she went up to the Olympus and she took the honey to Jupiter, he said, "This is wonderful. I'm so happy about it. I love honey. Now, what do you want in return? I am willing to give you something for this." Oh, the bee was so happy. She said, "Okay, I know what I want. I need a sting because I need to be able to defend myself from my enemies. So please do give me a sting." Jupiter didn't like the idea very much, so he decided to give her a sting, but he said, "Now you do have a sting and you can hurt other beings, but beware, whenever you sting someone, the one who's going to die is you." The moral is, do not try to hurt your enemies, because you will be hurt in return. So, in this case you can see that the characteristic of the story is that it is very simple, very brief, and it contains an explicit moral. That is to say, the message the author wanted to give is written or said openly. In other cases, it may be implicit, so you have to deduce it by yourselves. Now, I'm going to give you a task, because this is not just listening. You have to do something. This is a workshop. So, please, get pen and paper, get your favorite drink, cheers, and go on to write your own moral. What? The moral first? Yes, my dear. The problem is, in this workshop, you're going to see that we go about things a little differently. So, do me a favor, try this out. Write the moral first, see what you want to tell the world, what the message is, and that's it for the time being. Okay, you let it simmer for a few days and then you go back and check if you like it or not. Okay? So, this will be all for today. We will be meeting again. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.